Hey, Abe Mendez here. I'm in Bellalago today. I wanted to make a quick announcement to people that live in Bellalago, as well as those who are possibly interested in moving to the community. We're going to be having an open house event. It's going to be on Saturday the 24th from 12 noon to 4 p.m. And it's going to be a open house where we have 6 homes within the community. They're going to be open on the same day, staffed by our team. H6 Homes, as well as the Vertex team. And that's going to be an event where we're going to invite brokers, we're going to invite people that are looking to buy a home. And we're also going to have a lender available there. We're going to have a title company there available, as well as a home warranty company to talk to you about their services. There's a bee in here. So I'm on my boat right now, as a matter of fact, and one of the things that we're going to do is at the last location, we're actually going to have the boat there, so we can actually give some people that may be interested in purchasing a home in the community an actual tour of the community. So for more information, it's going to be attached on the bottom of this video. If you want, you can also just go to Bellalago Security, pull up to the gate and say, I'm here for the open house, anywhere between 12 and 4 p.m. on Saturday the 24th. They'll give you a flyer and then just show up to one of the homes. And our staff will assist you in telling you where to go next. So I look forward to seeing all of you at our open house event, and I'll talk to you soon.